Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see, beard phase, all groovy and the rest. I'm here with my skincare routine for you guys, my daytime skincare routine. As you guys can see, I'm starting with the Oxy 5. It's a 5% benzoyl peroxide. So like these days, guys, I've been battling with like it's just too acne sha, but I'll call it plenty acne because I mean, why would too acne be disturbing my peace? Anyways, guys, I was just applying those the benzoyl peroxide on my face just to make sure it gets to where it's supposed to get to. And as I said, I don't rub, I tap. So I'm just like tapping it so that the products are going to go inside. As I was already told that when you tap in, it gets the product into your skin better than just rubbing it on the surface. So now I'm going with the salicylic acid. This salicylic acid, I'm also doing the same thing, but I actually had to wait for a little while for that one to sink into my skin before applying this. And I'm also going to be patting this into my skin just for the same reasons I did the other time, for it to sink into my skin and do the required job it's supposed to do. I really don't know why I was making funny faces, but anyways, let's just leave that one alone and just know that we are just patting in the product into our skin for the reasons I already said. Guys, now I'm going to my sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen is very, very important. I say this every time. Sunscreen is very, very important. Don't say because you are dark, you don't need sunscreen, or you are this, you don't need sunscreen. You need sunscreen more than anything, like anything. So guys, I'm just going to be putting this applying the sunscreen in bits on my face. That's because I tried the 3-finger rule and kept it all at once, and it didn't come out well, like over the time I've been using sunscreens. So I just said, okay, is applying it little by little, then now tapping it in is going to work better for me. Then guys, this sunscreen is the sunscreen that has like, I don't know if it's the one that has the most white cast in the world, but like the white cast in this sunscreen is quite intense. So like I just had to like work with it regardless, because I mean I already bought it, even if I knew it had white cast, but I had no choice at that point. I already bought it and I cannot throw it away. I mean, things are not cheap, so I cannot just throw the sunscreen away. I just have to manage it to the end. Anyways, guys, I just had to tap the product into my skin and do it the same way I've been doing the remaining products, and make sure that everything goes into my skin. Then after I did that, I just waited for a little bit, then I used the tissue paper or like a paper towel to like suck off all the oil on my face. Just basically wait a little bit so that the thing is going to like enter your skin, because if you just do it immediately, you might end up cleaning your sunscreen off. So guys, I just did that, and after I did that, I made sure like I just tapped on it like a little bit. I made sure I use a tissue paper that is not too soft, that will make it to have tissue paper residue. So guys, I'm done with my face, and now I'm going to moisturize my lips. Thanks guys for watching. So guys, now you can put your makeup on and you can just go out like that without being oily. You guys should like, share, subscribe. Bye.